Alright, so guys, the next generation consoles are right around the corner, and for the first time ever, companies are pushing out a disc edition as well as a digital edition for both of their consoles. So, which one should you buy? It's really been a question. Why should you buy a disc edition, or why should you consider discs to be a old technology and go for the digital edition? Today we will be answering that question in this video, so roll the intro. Okay, so as the title of the video promises, you should not buy the digital editions of the consoles, and there are 6 reasons why. You should not always depend on your internet connection. God knows when it will break down and boom, your games are gone. Second thing, why you should not buy the digital editions of the consoles is that you can save more money by reselling your games. For example, the games may cost something around $60. You bought a game for $60, played it for 2 weeks, beat it, completed it, and you could sell it for $45 in the second-hand market, so $15 per game. And obviously, for 7 years of a console life cycle, you play more than 10 games, and if you play that, you are just saving out $150 to $200, which is more than just that $100 price reduction for the digital editions of the consoles, right? And so the third thing is that you like to buy collector's editions of the game, so you will just have to buy the game twice. And so once for the collector's edition, which will give you the disc, and the second time for the digital edition, which you can actually play from your consoles. Third thing is that you have a lot of PlayStation 4 discs with you. The previous generation of the consoles, the PS4, the PS3, the PS2, and all those did not really have a digital only edition, so that you could have a lot of digital copies of games in your account. And you have a lot of PS4 discs, as both the editions of the PS4, I mean 3 editions of the PS4 had disc drive, and you want to play all those games on your PS5 as it is backwards compatible. But if you just buy a digital edition, boom, the CDs, they are trash. If you do not have your PlayStation 4 anymore, or if the support for the PlayStation 4 ends, your CDs are trash. So if you want to play your current generation games on your next generation consoles for enhanced graphics and enhanced visuals, you should not buy the digital edition and buy the disc console. And the fifth reason is that you have a lot of Blu-ray discs and 4K DVDs, and you want to watch your films, your shows on your console. Although we know consoles are not good at watching Blu-rays, but still, you cannot watch them if you have a digital edition, right? You'll have to go for subscription services like Netflix and YouTube Premium. So it's better to buy the disc edition, right? The last reason for this video, the 6th reason why you should not buy the digital edition, is that you are a traditionalist. Yes, many people are there who are traditionalists and they just love CDs, they just love DVDs, the old technology, the nostalgia thing. And if you just buy the digital edition for saving some $100, then your traditionalism is just a waste, right? I know this sounds dumb, but there are people who are traditionalists and they love discs and DVDs. Yes, there are. So that's all for this video, and to wrap up, let me just say, if you want to save more and if you have the tricks in your mind to resell CDs to save money, then you should go for the disc edition. And if not, if you just really think that you'll play one game for 7 years, then there's no reason to go for the disc edition. And with that said, I'm Archo, this is Alberta, and I'll see you the next one. Bye.